Good morning, everyone. I'm Mandy, and today I was going to talk to you about something that just is common knowledge, but oftentimes we forget, and that's the importance and the reasons why we should drink water. So, whenever we walk out the front door, what is one thing that we should always be grabbing? Most of you might say your phone, and that's probably what I would say too, but maybe drink your water. Grab your pretty water bottle. Make sure you always have a water bottle with you. And here's a little reason why you should always remind yourself to bring your water and drink it.
Water solves everything. If you're thirsty, just drink water. Trying to lose weight? Just drink water. Trying to get clearer skin? Just drink water. Have a best friend that stabbed you in the back? Drown them with water.
So maybe that's a little excessive about using water to drown your best friend, but it is funny and it does help us remind us to drink our water. What are some of the reasons and benefits of drinking water? There are many benefits in which we can drink water. Water is needed and necessary for us to stay hydrated. Living in South Texas, especially right now in the July heat, we have got to remember to stay hydrated to help prevent dehydration and heat exhaustion. And so we should always have our water with us and carry it around with us or have it close by so that it is easily accessible. Another reason that you should always drink water, no matter if it is summertime or the winter time, is to help with the benefits that water brings of losing weight. Water is 100% calorie free, and it helps to burn calories where it may even suppress your appetite before you consume a meal if you have a glass of water first. The benefits are even greater when you replace sugary beverages with water and you start to lower your calorie intake, which helps with the weight loss. Drinking lots of water is also good for nutrient absorption and to help with digestion. The water helps to flush out toxins and to keep our system balanced and in check so that we don't have other issues. But also, drinking water helps with something non-health related. It's a little trick of if you're to go on an interview or you have to do something with public speaking, a lot of times when our nerves start to get the best of us, our mouth gets dry and we begin to have a hard time speaking because our mouth is so dry. So if you're going to go to an interview or you're about to go do some public speaking, make sure that you grab your water bottle and you bring it with you and you take a couple sips before going out and having to do that speech. There's something about the stress of doing it really does get you dehydrated. So I have a hard time remembering to drink the water. I work inside in an office, and lately I've been working from home, so I'm not always outside where it's hot. So continuing to remind myself to drink water has been a difficult task. So I try to come up with some ways in which you can benefit. So what are some of the ways in which you are reminding yourself to drink water? Do you have tricks? Do you have a way that you do it? If you don't have a system, I thought maybe these might be able to help. The first way is to get a smart cup. It is a smart water bottle, and you can buy them on Amazon. They might have them at Walmart. I'm not sure. I just shop at Amazon a lot. And it lights up or kind of vibrates. There's different ones. And it can sync with your phone, your smartphone also. And it just reminds you of it's been a while, you haven't had anything to drink. Get your water intake. Another way to get your reminders to drink your water is little apps you can add to your phone. One of the ways that I do it was the Water Llama water tracker. For the girls right now, we love the llamas. We think they're cute. So I thought this was a cute little app to use. Another way is get your buddy. I have a little contest going with my friend. Every time we talk, we hold up our water bottle and we say like, this is number 3 or this is number 4. And we try to help a little contest of getting who gets the most water to try to help each other get our water intake. So make sure you drink your water. And the reason is you don't want to be a cactus. So drink your water and y'all have a happy summer.